I tried Stargazer wallet app for 7 days. Here's the shocking truth. When I started testing the Stargazer wallet app, I wasn't sure what to expect. It's not as famous as MetaMask or Trust Wallet, but after using it for 7 days, the shocking truth is that Stargazer is one of the most underrated wallets built for the next wave of blockchain networks. Setting it up took less than 3 minutes. No personal data, no kick, just a secure password and recovery phrase. Stargazer is a self-custody wallet, meaning you own your keys and, therefore, your crypto. I tested it with both Constellation Stag tokens and Ethereum-based assets, and the experience was seamless. The interface felt futuristic, but easy to use. I especially liked how the wallet clearly displayed real-time transaction history and token balances. Sending and receiving crypto was fast and intuitive. Even cross-chain transfers between Ethereum and the Constellation network worked flawlessly. Most people don't realize how advanced Stargazer's multi-chain capabilities are. It's built with interoperability in mind, meaning it's ready for the next generation of decentralized applications that span multiple blockchains. I tested connecting it to various dApps and it integrated smoothly every time. Security was another plus. The wallet encrypts all data locally and never sends private information to external servers. It even has built-in support for staking and governance features, perfect for users who want to earn passive rewards while supporting their favorite networks. ID7, the shocking truth was obvious. Stargazer might not have the hype, but it's built for long-term success. It's clean, secure, and already ahead of the curve when it comes to multi-chain technology. If you're exploring new blockchains like Constellation or just want a modern, future-proof wallet, Stargazer deserves your attention.